Y'all had to see this coming. Let's get it. What's up, guys? Your boy Catloco, and I've been hitting the junkyard for about a year now, and I think I'm at the point where I need to make some upgrades. So you saw the last video with Steve Davis, and you saw what he was doing. So when I was cutting the roof from the G6, I used this thing here, this brushless Ryobi Sawzall, and this does the trick. But when you're trying to compete with professionals out there, you kind of have to step your game up. So you know what I picked up? I picked up a new Sawzall. Now this is a 12 amp Sawzall. This is corded. Now, I love having this, but I went ahead and picked up another Ryobi 12 amp. I need something with a lot of power to cut through frames, and I think this will do the job for me. And I think I paid about $70 for it, and this will definitely do the trick. A lot of those regular cheapest Sawzall, I think they're 7.5 amps. So 12 amps is going to be more than enough that I need to chop through some frames when I'm pulling engines. It's a lot thicker and larger than this one, but I think it'll do the job. I can definitely tell this thing's going to have some power. So you might be wondering, why would you switch to a corded Sawzall when you have a cordless? Mainly because if I'm going to be out there for a while, I don't want to take the risk of starting a job and my battery's dying on me. So I definitely needed something that was corded. And the next item, I'll show you what I'm using to power this new Sawzall. So I picked up this to power it all. Got me a generator. This is a 2000 surge watts, 1600 watt peak generator. So to really compete with those guys out there, you've seen with Steve, he has a generator and he has a Sawzall that's corded. So I wanted something that was kind of powerful but not too overkill. But this one here, it comes with 2 connections. I'm only going to use one, but I want to get 2 1.5 amp USB port, which I don't really care about. The only thing I cared about was it had 2 outlets, and it also has low noise output. I didn't want something that was really crazy loud, and this thing would last for 11.5 hours at 25%. So I'm only going to be out there for like an hour or 2 anyway, so that's more than enough time. This is a 1.2 gallon tank, has a 3-year warranty, and I think I paid about $345 on eBay. But yeah, I got sick of people chopping frames. So, you know, if you can't beat them, join them. So these items I actually got that Thursday before I did the video with Steve pulling the engines. But I knew he's going to bring his generator, so I didn't bring mine, and I didn't bring the Sawzall. So this last item here, as you can see, I picked up a cart. Now this is a 400 pound capacity utility cart. So on half off days or any kind of major sale at Junkyard, a cart is nearly impossible to find. So to avoid the hassle and so I can cart that around, I picked up a cart to carry all my tool bags. I don't know if I can really trust this to put an engine on. It supports 400 pounds, but I'm worried about the side doors. So I picked this up from Northern Tool for $49. That was the price I couldn't walk away from. So yeah, this is the last item. It's utility cart. It's pretty nice. I wanted something that was kind of heavy duty, but not too overkill. I could have went with a 900-pound utility cart, but that thing was extremely massive, and I think for my needs, this 400-pound cart will do nicely for me. And I can throw this in the back of the truck. I can throw this in my back seat, and it'll fit fine for what I need. When it gets dirty, I just throw it back in the back of the bed of the truck. But this is what I picked up. Ironton 400-pound capacity steel cart, 34-inch by 18 inches wide. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate it greatly for all the people that supported me for the 4,000 watch hours. Congratulations to the winners. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.